This web design agency makes over $1 million just by selling free website. Yes, you heard me right. This web design agency makes over $1 million, and the crazy thing is, even if they stop selling websites, they will be still keep on making $1 million every single month. And in today's video, we're going to cover how they are making this much money in monthly recurring revenue just with a free website offer, and how you can replicate this business model to have your own profitable web design / SaaS agency. If you're new to this channel, my name is Gautam. I provide SaaS and web design services to local businesses, and now I'm trying to teach you how to do the same. So let's get back to the video. Welcome to the first episode. Yes, it's a whole course. It's an 8-episode course where we will start talking about this business method and how we can replicate this within your agency, from making your own offer, client outreach, booking meetings, closing the clients, getting the payment, until delivering the services. So let's check out the actual website of this agency. As you can see, this is the website, rated #1 out of 48,000 web design agency. We never know, it's just the claim. As you can see, they have delivered more than 30,000 websites with the free offer. And we're gonna dive deep into how they actually make money with this offer. We have received a stunning website for free. They have lots of 5-star, almost 5-star, 4.8 reviews. And yeah, pain point, free website we have built, 30,124. Average, yeah, it's gonna cost around like 4,000 for a website, the typical agency fees. Amount we charge, $0. And they have lots of reviews, testimonials, and everything they have done, portfolio. And again, talking about the pain point and talking about themselves, delivering a free website with free of charge. And let's just jump back to our presentation and let me explain how they do it and how they make money, and not just make a small amount of money, they make millions of dollars. And let's see how they do it. This one strategy made over $1 million without selling website in a traditional way. Yeah, you read that right. Over 30,000 websites delivered, and they did it with free offer. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly how this agency pulled it off, and more important, how you can copy this model to build your own 5K agency even if you are starting from scratch. And before diving deep into this business model, I just want to share that I have built this free community for Go High Level or any kinds of agency owners who wants to build a profitable business online. And it's really hard to do everything by yourself. That's why I have built an accountability system. You know, and I know what the problem is. There is information all over the internet, but it's acting on it. It's a really pain in the ass. Procrastination is the big issue. With this accountability system, I have proven that people are getting more value out of it. If you want to check how this works, join the community. The link is in the description. But let's get back to our business model. The money behind the model, let's do the math. 30,124 free website built. Assuming just the 27-month hosting fees, which may lead 830,000 a month recurring revenue. It's not just for a one-time fee. They are getting this recurring revenue every single month. Let's say just 20% of them client also signed up for free SEO or review automation services, which we can produce within the Go High Level with automations, which is like you can charge anywhere from $97 to $297 a month. Even if it's just 6,000 clients paid $97 a month, that's $500,000 extra on top of the 800,000. It's well over a 1 million. And this is just done by the free offer, which is a gold mine. And I'm going to show you why this method is more powerful than all the other methods you have been using for a while, struggling to get clients. Even if you get client, you have to keep on looking for another client. How this free website offer work? Most business don't want to spend 3 to 5,000 upfront for a website. As you know, most of the businesses are broke. That's the hard truth, but they need a website to look professional and to grow. This model flips the script. Offer a free website, professionally designed website, which you can find inside Go High Level website templates, which is actually really good, and you can like play around and make it a little better just to suit your client. Remove the upfront friction, because if you're doing cold calling or any cold outreach, people have to trust you in order to pay you the money. And let's say if someone is calling you and saying, I'm going to build your web design agency through the roof and I just want 5,000 upfront, will you pay the amount? No. It's the same. You have to think from the client's perspective. It's the same thing. You can't ask them to trust you and give them the huge amount of money in the beginning. That's why this free website breaks the ice and lets you in to pitch them in the meeting. Get more booked calls, because if it's free, people like it. People like free stuff all the time. It's not just a business owner, it's a normal psychology thing. Then upsell your real offer, monthly retainer, SEO review automation, local ranking. When you do cold calling, pitch the free offer, and when they come into the meeting, you can upsell. So you're not doing anything for free, and even if you're doing it for free, that will be a monthly hosting fee, and it's going to take around 30 minutes to set up a website and charging hosting fees. Why it's so effective? It lowers the guard of skeptical business owners. You're not asking for money up front, you provide real value first. It sets up the perfect stage to introduce monthly service. You don't want to stress out about getting clients every time. Most local businesses want this. More reviews, high Google ranking, more booked appointments. That's what you upsell, not the site, but the system. You're upselling the transformation rather than just the website. You shouldn't be thinking about yourself as a web design agency owner rather than a business owner who provide transformation to other local business owners. How you can use this strategy yourself? Let's break this down into 3 key benefits for you. Client acquisition made easy. If it's free, people will definitely book calls with you. As you've seen in my cold calling videos, I have the same pitch, free website. And when they come up inside the meeting, I upsell them and I make it profitable. Most beginners struggle to sign clients. This offer makes it easier to get interests and calls booked. Less than 30 minutes service delivery. If you're new to this business, you have to have this mindset and mentality going where you are confident enough to say that it's going to help your client. Obviously, having a website helps a local business to reach higher on Google My Business page where they can get more business. And it's going to take less than 30 minutes, put their logo, their description, their business name, and connect it with the domain. It's not going to take more than 30 minutes. Everyone loves free. It's a ultimate pattern interrupt. Predictable monthly cash flow. You're not stuck chasing a new client through 3,000 client every month. Stack $97 a month client with one-time setup. Imagine having 10 clients. We are just having this 97 as a psychology method instead of going for 99 or 100. 99 is basically 100. So you're gonna get £1,000 a month just by having 10 clients with the free offer or upselling them with review automation or SEO. And if you have 50 clients with free offer and upselling them, you're gonna make around $5,000 with this offer. Leveraging Go High Level for automation and scaling. This entire system can be automated with Go High Level, client onboarding, review automation, local SEO, CRM reputation management, all in one place. You do the work once and keep getting paid with Go High Level. So you can sign up with my affiliate link, and you already have your free community link in the description, and we have another community where you can make use of all the templates, all the system I've built to get monthly recurring revenue within my business. I've been working on this community for a while, for like a couple of months, and finally it's online. And if you want to make use of this community full-fledged, you have to click the link in the description, join the community, and if you sign up with my referral link, you will get access to everything within my business, from having your own website, funnel, go-level custom CSS codes, a client portal, like everything you want from the beginning. You don't have to waste more time like building from the scratch. That's going to take you more than 6-7 months. Instead of wasting that time, join the community and get everything for free and kickstart your free offer web design agency to start earning monthly recurring revenue. And in the next episode, I will be talking about how I went from having -7 pounds in my account to start getting high ticket clients with this free offer. And if you don't want to miss out on the next episode, make sure to subscribe and like this video, and make sure to join the community, our Wolf Pack, to kickstart your agency as quick as possible. And I will see you guys in the next episode.